They look at the camera. Ríete. So today is Suki's gender reveal. Oh my gosh, we get to know if Suki's a boy or a girl. We've been wondering this whole entire time. And we did a DNA test with Polygene. The only person who knows is my mom. There's 6 of us in total, 5 for boy and 1 for girl. So, you know, hopefully it's a boy. And yeah, let's get started. Everybody close your eyes. Everybody for real. Para que lo disfruten, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes. 1, 2, and 3. Where'd it go?
Lenny, mira para acá. Mira para acá, Lenny.
It's a boy! Yay!
Yes. Stop, Jay.
Oh, yes, Mama.
It's a male! Yay! Suki is a boy. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. He's a boy. We have the certificate. If you guys can see that. Of course, I wore the blue shirt for the occasion. We got a bunch of blue candy. Little birthday boy. My brothers are happy. I'm ecstatic. My parents are happy. Yay! We have the certificate. Yeah, we are so happy. We wanted to share this moment with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Bye. Suki, wave.
Wait. Before everybody leaves.
Suki, wave.
Wait.
Bye.
Guys.